Ever look in the mirror midday and feel like you've just run a marathon with your skin gleaming with sweat and oil? It's the oily skin struggle, and we've all been there. This excess oil not only leaves us feeling sticky and uncomfortable, but can also lead to acne and other skin problems. But hold on, don't let this dampen your spirits. This is where we come in with a promise to introduce you to some amazing products to manage that oily skin. Well, worry no more. We have a lineup of amazing products to help you combat this oil factory. First up, meet your new best friend, the Oil Control Face Wash. This remarkable product is designed with unique properties to take control of your skin's oil production. It's chock full of oil control ingredients that work diligently to cleanse your skin without stripping it of its natural moisture. Now, how to use it? Well, it's all about a gentle, circular motion. Apply a small amount of the face wash to your damp skin and massage it in a circular pattern. This technique helps to activate the oil control ingredients, ensuring they work their magic effectively. After massaging, rinse with cool water. Not only does this feel refreshing, but it also helps to close your pores, further aiding in oil control. The key benefits? A noticeable reduction in oiliness, prevention of acne, and that fresh, clean feeling we all crave. With the Oil Control Face Wash, you're not just washing away dirt, you're saying goodbye to unwanted oil. Next on the list is a product that might surprise you, an oil-free moisturizer. Yes, you heard that right. Even if your skin is oilier than a slice of pizza, it still craves hydration. This moisturizer is our little secret to maintaining that balance. It's like a tall glass of water for your skin, minus the oiliness. It's crafted with a lightweight formula that absorbs faster than you can say matte. It leaves your skin feeling soft, refreshed, and with a matte finish that whispers elegance. To use, simply apply it post-cleansing and pre-makeup. It's as easy as 1, 2, 3. What's the cherry on top, you ask? Well, this moisturizer offers balanced hydration and a non-greasy feel. Plus, it sets the perfect base for makeup, allowing your foundation to glide on smoothly and stay put. So there you have it, hydration without the heaviness. That's the power of our oil-free moisturizer. Controlling oily skin doesn't have to be a daunting task. We've explored the magic of Oil Control Face Wash and the wonders of oil-free moisturizer. These products are your allies in this journey, each with its unique benefits to help tame the oil and let your natural beauty shine. Don't be afraid to experiment and find the perfect balance that works for your skin. Remember, your skin is unique, so embrace the journey, find your perfect routine, and let your beauty shine through, minus the oil, of course.